Ooh. Is it good? Good. Okay, hey guys, so my hair is like a really weird bun, but just ignore that. And then I just have on this yellow sweater. Not really cute on me now I look at it. Oh well. And then these jeans and these boots. Now let's go to Target and do some shopping. Hello everyone, so I just got back from Target. I got some stuff right here. I'm so sorry, I literally just forgot my camera. You have to leave to go to Sydney's very soon, but I wanted to show you guys what I got for her and to get her live reaction as well. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with the bag. I got this cute little, and this is all from Target by the way. This cute little bag, it has some trees on it, and it's like the most Christmassy one I could find. It was surprising how they're out of everything. And then I got this. They didn't have any like red or like more green tissue paper. So this is the closest thing to Christmas colors I could get. And then I got her fuzzy socks. I got her 2 of these fuzzy socks. Yeah, so those fuzzy socks. And that's probably her texting me. Yeah, that is her. She's texting me when I'm headed over. Text me when you are headed over here, which will be in a few minutes. And then, if you guys remember from, oh shoot, this is, okay, so this is a different channel. But okay, so on on Sid and I's channel, we have a channel, it's called Nikki and Sid, check it out. We have a channel called Nikki and Sid, and we did a Q&A, and her favorite candy was Almond Joy. So I looked all over Target, and I finally found some. It took forever because I had no idea what Almond Joy were, what they looked like, but I'm so glad I found them. And the last thing to really put it all together is I got this Wonder Shop Peppermint Body Lotion. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so that is all I got her. You know, just like little things to, because we're exchanging presents, not, you know, not too big, not too small, but I want to give her something that she will like, and hopefully she'll like them. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in the bag and then head over to Sydney's and to get her live reaction. Bye. Yes, look at Sydney. She's doing so good.
Hi YouTube.
This is on my channel.
Oh. Hi, Nicole's channel. You're telling them secrets about me.
She's doing so good, guys.
Oh.
Wave 2. There's the stats. Right there.
What do you mean
Video, honey. So Sydney got
grilled chicken nuggets and fries.
And then I got the fries, the Chick-fil-A nuggets, and the Chick-fil-A sauce was actually really good.
And you have to mention it. Yes. It's your first time.
Oh yeah, it's my first time.
I don't know what to do. I'm so awkward.
Bye-bye.
Wait,
no, you do not.
Dude, you didn't even let me record you.
No.
Hi.
Do you like Chick-fil-A?
Yes.
I do. Look at that. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Well, I'm holding the camera.
Yeah, I can hold the camera. Oh, it's going.
Does Sydney learn how to work a camera?
Yeah, so we are at Chick-fil-A. There's Nicole looking all cute. So this is what it looks like. You can cut that out.
I don't think you weren't recording. Honey.
I wasn't?
No.
Recording is butt.
Look at this wine. Alright, Sydney. How do I hold this camera? Alright, hello everyone. So we just got done eating at, I was about to say Chick-fil-A because that's what you said earlier. Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
And we're going to show you, hi, they're staring at us. Okay, moving on. We're going to show you what we got each other for Christmas.
Yes.
That's enough of that clip.
So we are leaving Chick-fil-A.
My seatbelt on.
Nicole thinks she can drive without a seatbelt. Like what? What is she thinking? Let's go. So here I am.
How do you get to your house from here?
She don't even know how to get to my house.
Let's go right. I'm deciding, should I take the highway or not? It's the highway. So we're back at Sydney's house, and now we're going to exchange presents, and you're going to get our live reaction. So yeah. Do you want to explain this?
So I forgot paper like this. So it's covered with a blanket for Nicole to pull off.
Ready?
Yeah. Are we opening at the same
yes.
time?
Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, look at Almond Joy, my favorite. Okay, but I literally like went all around Target to find that. I did not know what Almond Joy was,
okay,
but I remember from our last video that was the candy she liked. That I was like, I have to find some Almond Joy.
Who hasn't heard of Almond Joy though? That's the real question. Smells good.
Okay. Ooh, what is this?
Ooh.
Is this hot
Christmas
chocolate?
socks.
Can I put some in the cup and make hot
No, it's
chocolate?
dirt.
It's dirt. Marshmallows, marshmallow dirt.
So soft.
Oh, I thought it was a pie. It's like a dusty thing. Okay, what else?
More Christmas socks.
What is it? Oh yeah, fuzzy socks.
Ooh, that's lotion.
We're twinsies with the fuzzy socks.
You have these too?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Body lotion. Ooh, okay. She got me body lotion, vanilla
bean.
cheer. Vanilla bean cheer. Let's get something cozy. I like that. That's cute.
Peppermint body lotion?
Peppermint bark.
Wow, we both got peppermint.
Yes. All about Christmas.
I have to smell this.
Christmassy. It's all about that Christmassy.
Gosh, Nicole, get with it. You're in high school.
All right, thank you.
Is this like the picture or something?
Yeah. Oh wait, we have to do the thumbnail.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna put it all back in here. Now we're gonna play some Black Ops. Now we're gonna play some Black Ops Zombies.
How do I turn it off? Hi.
Hi.
We're about to play Black Ops.
Zombies.
I am using one of the I got a lot.
What am I supposed to do?
I'm zooming in.
This sweet box here.
You know, if I could just hold this position for 2 hours, this would be a good little spot to record it.
Get out of my way.
Do something exciting. There we go. That's exciting.
What's exciting?
I said do something exciting.
I do.
There you go. No, I said do something. Just like that. Good job.
I'm excited. Hello.
Oh, it's that one out with the hunting's. What is it, right? Neighborhood or something?
No, stab them. It's insta-kill. Insta-kill means if you stab them, they're dead.
I just don't want to explode the ones on fire.
Yeah, don't.
She got hurt.
Like that. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna end this.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks, Jenny.
She don't want you to leave.
I got attacked. First, she didn't want me to be here. Why are you attacking me?
She's like, I don't want her to leave. Bye, dog.
Now it's
Now she's running.
Jazzy is yelling at me. All right.
Bye, friend.
Bye, Sydney.
See you later.
Oh.